Hey guys, this is Will from Brewery 85. Right behind me is our Orchard 85 Event Center. It's opening early 2020. Let's go check it out real quick. We're coming through one of the roll-up doors. Right now, the camera crew is walking on our new beer garden area, which will, a lot of complaints about our other beer garden, too windy, too sunny, too cold, too whatever, not enough light. We've fixed it all. It's gonna have some sails on it, it's gonna have some lights on it, it's gonna have heaters, it's gonna have, a windbreak, it's gonna be awesome. We can host all kinds of events. We're gonna have state-of-the-art technology for audio-visual, performance, everything. You can have, we've geared this thing up so if you want to give a 10-person PowerPoint presentation, no problem. If you want to hold a wedding reception here, no problem. Like I said, all the events that we do, comedy, wrestling, concerts, cornhole nights, everything, no problem. If Snoop Dogg wanted to come sell tickets, no problem. We can host him. We've taken the existing parking we have, doubled it, and built a lot over here. As you can see, this boarded up wall right now, we're gonna have a sizable LED screen. And it's gonna be really neat. We're gonna try to focus more on having college football, showing college football days, showing pro football days, showing more sporting events. It's gonna be beautiful. One of the neat things over here is, I'll take you guys over here, I'll show you. This is our bar area for the new place. It's gonna be really neat. So at our old place, we had, well, new to us, we poured concrete top bars, and we used a 170-year-old wood. It's been in my family for that long, for generations, that they ripped out of an old barn in Woodard, South Carolina. Over here, we're gonna kind of do the flip-flop. It's gonna be neat. We're gonna have a brand new wooden top bar, and the bottom of it is going to be reclaimed brick from the Conisty Mill, which is just right up the road, and some reclaimed wood from the Simpsonville Mill. We actually have some of that right here. It's gonna be really awesome. A couple other things that we're trying to do. It's pretty neat right here. Take a look at this. I mean, you can still see some of the original mortar. This brick is old, man. That's really awesome. It's gonna be really fun to repurpose, reuse. As you know, we're very green-minded, earth conscious with all of our decisions. So I hope you've enjoyed our small little tour. I invite you to come back when we get really rocking and jamming. There's gonna be nothing like this in Greenville. It's gonna be completely unique, especially in the brewing scene. We know a lot of you guys love us for this reason specifically. We throw great parties, we brew great beer, and we're fun to hang out with. Hopefully you guys will come check it out and have a blast with us. And we're really excited about our future, and we appreciate you guys sharing it with us.